Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sequoia Gatlin and it is 12:07. So I'm just now starting my day. Just did my hair, brushed my teeth, washed my face. So I'm gonna start my day by, I'm not hungry. One of the things that I wanted to talk about was that as of Monday, today is Thursday, I started intermittent fasting. Super excited about that. So far it's been going pretty well. What else? Yeah, but so far it's been pretty good. I'm doing the 16-8 intermittent fast, where you fast for 16 hours and then you have the window for 8 hours to eat. So yeah. So today I have to clean my bedroom, clean downstairs, and figure out what we're having for dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna do shepherd's pie. Ryan loves shepherd's pie. I've never had shepherd's pie. My mom loves shepherd's pie. So I think we're just gonna do shepherd's pie. And then tomorrow's agenda, I'm cleaning out my office and Ryan's office, which we share because my mom is in the guest bedroom. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this day started. And you guys seen the last video when I did, I think it was a day in the life, I'm not sure, and I cleaned my bathroom and then now it's a mess again. I don't know if it's me or Ryan, but I think it's me because I used literally the whole bathroom due to our small bathroom. Okay, so for breakfast I am going to have some scrambled eggs. And granted, it's 12:23, but considering I'm fasting, I get to have breakfast later. That's just all that is. So I'm going to do scrambled eggs with turkey and cheese. Let me see if my mom wants. I don't want any missing. Give me a second so I can ask my mom if she wants some breakfast, because I'm being polite. So she does want some, so I'm just gonna grab the egg. You guys are gonna laugh at me. This is the cooking oil that I use. My husband works at Costco, so coconut oil is the way to go. Although I hate coconut, but I love it when I'm cooking. Oh, and I love it in my pink drink. This stuff is like butter. It just melts so perfectly. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and scramble my eggs. I'll do it in this. So that I can get enough whisk around. Let's go over here. And look at my kitchen. My husband helped by putting whatever that was, I guess, in the dishwasher started, but it's not too bad, you know? The table, that table is always a mess, but whatever. All right, so let's get these eggs cracked. Try to let you guys see what's going on. Did you guys see that? Terrible. So I'm going to be using this turkey, it's rotisserie sandwich meat from Rover's. This is my favorite sandwich meat, and I get it cut like shaved wise just for this purpose, and I'm just gonna put it in there. You're probably thinking, oh, it's an omelet. No, it's not an omelet. Comment down below how you like your eggs. Do you like scrambled, fried eggs, medium, 2-over medium, 2-over? I hate easy eggs. I hate over medium eggs. My stuff has to be completely done. Completely. My best friend Dina loves over easy eggs, like to the point where it's like runny. I'm like, ew. I don't see how. I don't like no runniness. Looks so delicious. This comes down. So I'm about to eat my breakfast, eggs, turkey, and cheese. Thumbnail. And then I will be back when I start to clean this kitchen. Okay, so I just finished eating my breakfast. It is 1:05 and I'm gonna start cleaning the kitchen. So, cue music. Okay, so normally I don't look at the clock when I clean, but for some reason during this video, it literally took me an hour and a half to clean just downstairs. Only downstairs. I didn't even make it upstairs to clean my bedroom. So how long does it usually take you guys to clean downstairs? Let me know in the comments section down below.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me. I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner, yeah. 'Cause I'm the winner, yes. Am I awake or am I dreaming? So far gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top. I saw the clouds looking angry, but then the sky reached my mind. And when I space out, I see the possibilities unfolding the way that I want. That you showed up was written in my palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win in every way. Win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. Yes, I'm the winner.